Welcome, this is Jennifer Sparks. We're going to be going to Savannah, Georgia today. It's the end of January and it's a little brisky today, but we're going to take the drive in, and it's about maybe an hour away from Hilton Head where me and my husband are staying. We're actually here for 3 weeks. We wanted to check out River Street. We've been here before one time, and we stayed at a bed and breakfast, and it was pouring rain, so we never really went anywhere. So it was cool to go out and walk around and check out this place that everybody always talks about as being so cool. And it really is. There's so many places to eat and drink, a lot of drinking places, and tons of shopping. There's so many t-shirt shops, candy stores. They even have a Christmas store. That was like really cool. I love that. Had to go in that one. Anyway, we really didn't spend much time here, maybe 3.5 hours. We went and we had drinks and appetizers in 3 different places. And we just spent time just walking around, checking out the water, looking at the boats. And I just watched so many YouTube videos of Savannah myself. And I kind of wanted to see what it was like. And I loved it. And I hope to go back there again this week or next week and get more pictures and videos. So I was taking note as I was walking around and even taking some videos of where the hotels are located, because when I go somewhere I like to really research where the hotels are. Because location is very important. You could get a good deal on a hotel, but if it's really far away from everything, that kind of stinks. So it was neat to see where exactly all these places were. Our first stop was the Exchange Tavern. It was time for a beer. I had a beer. My husband Kelly had a glass of wine. He was chilly. I'm like, well, I think a beer is needed here because I really wanted to get a beer from Savannah. And I did. And we split a fried green tomato sandwich. And it was delicious. The place was really cool. It was really historic and old. And the bill was good, as you can see. It was a good time. The waitress was a doll. We had a nice time. We didn't do any trolley tours, or any tours for that matter. But we did go to this Christmas shop. But I have so much Christmas stuff. I mean, a ridiculous amount of Christmas stuff. So I just cannot buy anymore. But next time, I would like to try a tour. We even have ghost tours. That's gotta be pretty cool. This whole town is cool. There's just such a really amazing vibe here. We were luckily able to find a cobblestone ramp to walk up because the steps are treacherous. I can't even imagine doing that with a few drinks in me. I mean, I was like, oh my God, these really treacherous. And I took a video and I don't know what happened to it. Like everything else in my life, I apparently lost it, must have deleted it, or thought I took it and didn't, Anyway, looking at great places and locations, this right here is prime location because you are so close to River Street and you are so close to this, which is 2 blocks over. It's like you're just walking into this majestic Victorian time era. It's just like a movie set. Hello, did you just plop me into Gone with the Wind? I mean, it's amazingly beautiful. And I think this is when people say, oh, Savannah, it's so beautiful. This is it. This is you just walk around and these houses are so well maintained, wow, beautiful. And in between they have park-like settings you could walk through, opposed to walking on the streets and the sidewalks. You could walk through a park. with statues and monuments and these amazing trees, and you just feel like you're somewhere so magical. Really, really beautiful. So the Kimpton Hotel is a very, very great location if you want to go to River Street and explore this type of Savannah. Our second stop for an adult beverage and that little break to take off our masks. This is during COVID, so you have to walk around with the mask. It's pretty much everywhere now. You have to wear masks all the time. So even in Savannah, this place is amazing. Upstairs is a really formal dining room, and downstairs is the cellar. It's all candlelit and stuff, but none of that was open. But they have a little sidebar that was open, and they had outdoor seating. But we sat inside at the bar, and it was very friendly. And we had I ordered a really dark beer from Savannah. It was delicious. And a couple blocks over from the Victorian land over there, they have another shopping district over here where you're going to find different kind of stores. I even saw a Baby Gap. I haven't seen one of those in years. Anyway, we found a world of beer. Our waitress at the last place suggested that we should go try this if we like dark beers, because they have like all different kinds. And sure enough, they did. We had a sampler, and it was so good. There was one beer from Athens, Georgia. You have the T, the name of I have to find it. I got to get this beer. It was so good. Anyway, we had chicken fingers, and they were really good. They have one in Hilton Head too, this World of Beer, this place is called. We went there yesterday for happy hour. I'm going to be having a video of all my restaurant adventures that I did in Hilton Head. And I want to go back to Savannah and actually take more pictures of the hotels and where they're located, because I think that will make a really good video. I really do. I think a lot of people might find that helpful in the future. Like, I was looking for something like that when I was trying to find a place to stay. So that's what I try to make videos of like what I look for when I go onto YouTube to look for videos. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did enjoy it and you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It would help my channel immensely. Like and comment, share with your friends. That's all good. Anyway, and to my return viewers, it's so good to have you back. I really appreciate all of you so much. And we're going back to Hilton Head now on our little adventure. It's good. Like I said, I'm hoping to go back at least another day or two on my adventures here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.